Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw Detroit Lions superstar running back Jamaal Williams. Jamaal Williams played college for Brigham Young University in Provo, Utah. He was a 4th round draft pick to the Green Bay Packers in 2017. He is a massive anime and Pokemon fan and currently holds the Detroit Lions record for the most rushing touchdowns in a season with 17, beating all-time superstar great Barry Sanders. So let's get started. Jamaal Williams has a great personality. We're going to draw a fun picture of Jamaal Williams today. Let's find the center of our page across, and we'll do Jamaal Williams' head right up here. So we'll find our dark marker. It could be black, could be dark gray. Find the pointed tip, and let's get started. On the middle. So we're going to draw this oval shape, wide and up. Okay? We'll do a arch connecting, that's going to be the headband. Do another arch up, that'll be the top of the headband, kind of that sweatband that Jamaal Williams wears. Now instead of drawing big round eyes today, we're going to draw, watch this, arch, you know what, and make them kind of darker on the inside, kind of sideways elongated raindrops. Jamaal Williams is always smiling, he's always goofing around, so we're gonna make him have smiley eyes today. Do an arch on top. These are the eyebrows. Color those in dark. We'll do the nose right here. We'll do up, down, okay? A couple of nostril marks on the side, maybe fill the nostrils in a little darker. All right, so we're gonna do a big, huge smile. Let's see if we can do this correctly here. So we're gonna start on this side, do over, stop, over, and stop. So it kind of goes up, down to a point, up, down, okay? Make the sides kind of turn up. Smile marks. And we'll go down, over, and up. Got it? Now on the teeth, we're gonna go across the mouth, color those corners a little dark. We're gonna leave that white as the tooth area. Come down here, some more teeth on the bottom. Do a tongue. That's basically up, down, up, down. We'll color the inside of the mouth dark. Leave that tongue, we'll color it in red in a minute here. All right, there's the smile. Let's do a bottom lip. And we'll do a top lip. Little mustache going on. Follows that lip. Little mustache, scribble that in. And a little bit of a chin beard, little whiskers. You can scribble those in on the chin. Now he's got these smile lines, so when someone smiles, you got these lines that go up, up, and he's got these big cheeks. So I bring these lines down from the nostrils out. These big cheekbones that makes him really smiley, okay? Maybe bring a little one up here so it's like this round circle looking thing. Yeah, looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna let's do the big hair that Jamaal Williams has, kind of these dreadlocks. Start from the middle, bump, and then a big, thick dreadlock up to the headband. One more underneath here, it's a little longer, it's kind of curving out. And then maybe another one out here. Okay, now over here we do a big long dreadlock that drops down on the side, curves back up and into that headband. Maybe there's one back here on the back of his head, connect to the face. He has one in this picture that kind of bumps up. and pops out. Looking good, Jamaal, looking good. All right. And we're gonna do the neck now. So bring that neck down, down to a V, and connect. Now the shoulder pads have to fit behind these dreadlocks back here. So here we go. A line, 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 round it off, round it off, goes down to a waist, over, up to the armpit, and connect to the shoulder pad. All right, so let's draw the football on this side. Football has to fit over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. My football's kind of weird shaped, sorry about that. Thumb, and then we'll do the curve of the arm and the elbow curve. Bump, bump into that football. Okay, now over here, we're gonna do kind of this expressive hand that's popping out at you like this. So here we go. On the side, we'll do down, up, finger, another finger out, another finger out, and then the pinky out. Come up and stop. Now here's the thumb. It curves down and bumps up. And his arm is gonna go bump and connect into the finger. Cool, there we go. Now he's wearing a towel right here. Let's do it, little rectangle up to the waist. Pants go down, up, up. Legs go down. 1, 2, connect the ankle. Now we're gonna draw the big cleats like we always do. Ready? There's the tongue of the cleat, tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Our shoe goes out, comes straight across to the ankle and stops and connects up to that ankle. Okay? Bring this shoe down, goes straight across to the edge of the paper, bumps up and connects to the shoelace. All right, we got Jamaal Williams. He looks good. He looks really good. Let's do the number 30 really quick. We're gonna get a darker gray. And let's see, I'm gonna get a gray right here. Okay. We're gonna do the number 30 here really quick. So we'll go straight down, over, up, curve it down, over, down, over, down, curve it up, over, down, and curve it. So the 3 is not really a sharp 3, it's more of a, it has some fun shapes, so you might have to take your time. Now the 0 is the same way, it's gonna go down, curve to a point, goes up, and curves to meet this point. And same thing with the inside. Down to a point, goes up, curves over to a point. Okay. Now on the sleeves here, we got, I'm gonna draw some gray down right there. We've got a stripe, 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 and stripe. These stripes are going to be gray. I'll color it in so you can see. There's a wider stripe right here on the inside, and 2 white stripes that are gapped. See that? Gray, white, gray, white, gray. Same with over here. We'll color these in. I'm only coloring these in really quick so you can see the details here. So gray, white, okay? Now, the pants are going to be, we're gonna get our Detroit Lions blue. Really quick. Detroit Lions blue, we're gonna go blue. A gap. Thicker blue here. I'm just filling this in so you can see it before we fast forward. Okay, and those white stripes are going to be filled in with gray. So let's do the same thing over here. Blue, and a thicker blue. Alrighty. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to finish off Jamaal Williams. We appreciate you guys joining us. We'll do a blue jersey, black hair, brown flesh color, brown football, gray pants, blue socks, white cleats, and that will be Jamaal Williams, one of the most entertaining personalities in NFL today. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Jamaal Williams of the Detroit Lions. Don't forget to subscribe, share this, and request who you want to see using Patreon, TikTok, and Instagram. Fast forward now.